Okay, so for today's phonics, we are going to be looking at the ow sound. My turn, ow, your turn, well done. Now, this ow sound, everyone should know because we've learnt that in phase 3. But today, we're going to be learning the phase 5 ow sound, one of them, which looks like this. It's not very nice. My turn, ow, your turn, my turn, ow, your turn, my turn, ow, your turn. Well done. Before we look at the new ow sound today, we're just going to remind ourselves about this phase 3 ow sound. So let's look at the first word. K, ow, cow. K, r, ow, n. Crown. T, ow, n. Town. Do you notice something about this sound? Apart from the first word cow, the ow sound is in the middle of the word in crown, but also in the middle of the word in town. So this ow sound is in the middle of the word. Let's have a look at this ow sound. So, my turn, ow, your turn, ow. Well done. So, let's look at the first word. Ow, n, d, found. Next one. P, r, ow, d, proud. Sh, ow, t, shout. Well done. So here is a small hint to help you. If the word finishes with a n or an l, then it's most likely going to have this ow sound. However, if the word finishes with a nd or nt, a t or a d or maybe a ch, then it's most likely going to have this ow sound. Okay, what I'd like you to do now is get yourself a paper and pen, divide your piece of paper up into the ow and ow sounds, like we've got there, and you're going to write these 5 words, but you're going to put them in the correct column, which one you're going to choose. Okay, so the first one, proud, proud, proud. The next one, bound, bound, bound. The next one, growl, growl, growl. Next one, ground, ground, ground. The final one, brown, brown, brown. If you need to go back again and watch this part again. At the end of this video, I'll put the answers for this. Okay, what I want you to do now is to pause the video and I want you to read these 2 sentences by yourself. Off you go. So, let's do the first one. I hope you've paused it. The man found a leaf on the ground. The man found a leaf on the ground. The next one. He fell down on to the ground. Can we see the second sentence? I've got 2 kinds of owl, this kind and that kind. Okay, so for this next part, you still need your paper and pen, and now you're going to write a sentence. And at the end of the video, I will show you the sentence. So remember, finger spaces, please. Capital letters, full stops. Okay, ready. The mouse did not like the town. I'll repeat it again. The mouse did not like the town. Okay, off you go. Repeat, go back on this video if you want me to repeat it again.